If your child doesn't enjoy certain familiar foods or isn't interested in trying new ones, it could cause them to miss out on important nutrients during their childhood. Please like and subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this. It's a good idea to begin introducing new foods to our children when they're young, like when they're toddlers. Remember, if your child doesn't seem interested the first time, don't worry. It takes time for them to adjust to new flavors. Keep trying even up to 20 to 30 times before deciding to stop. But what if your child doesn't really enjoy a particular food or finds certain vegetables off-putting? Number 1. Experiment with different textures and flavors. If your child doesn't enjoy carrots or beans in their soup, try serving them separately on a plate for them to enjoy. Or consider mashing carrots and mixing them with butter or a spice like cinnamon to make them more appealing. Number 2. Get your child involved in preparing food. To help picky eaters, let your children join in making meals. They can wash veggies, stir, and even choose ingredients. When they help cook, they may feel more excited to try new foods. It's fun and helps them feel proud of what they eat. Take them to the store with you to pick out their favorite vegetables. Let them explore the produce section and choose what they want to try. This can make them feel empowered and more willing to eat what they've chosen, and then they may become more open to trying new foods. Number 3. Cook one meal for the entire family without making an alternative dish for the picky eater. When preparing meals for the whole family, choose a dish that includes the food you want your child to try and enjoy. As parents, show enthusiasm and enjoyment for the food you have prepared, setting a positive example for your child. Avoid making separate meals for them, as this might reinforce their picky eating habits. Remember to keep meal times relaxed and enjoyable, emphasizing the importance of trying new food without pressure or force. Number 4. No rewards or punishments for eating. It's crucial to avoid using rewards or punishments related to eating habits. Instead, focus on creating a positive mealtime environment that promotes exploration and enjoyment of food. Encourage your child to try new foods without pressure. Remember that every child's appetite and preferences are different, and patience is the key in helping them develop a healthy relationship with food over time. Number 5. No snacks close to mealtime. Avoid giving your child snacks too close to mealtime, as it can decrease their appetite and diminish their interest in trying new foods. Allowing their stomach to be relatively empty before a meal can encourage them to be more open to trying new foods. It's important to introduce your child to different types of food even if they are not eating much. Exposing them to new flavors and textures can help expand their palate over time. Offer a variety of foods during meals, including fruits, vegetables, grains, and proteins. Don't pressure them to eat everything, but encourage them to try small bites. Keep offering new foods regularly even if your child refuses, as it can help them become familiar with different tastes and develop healthy eating habits for the future.